Hello, this is a new opportunity for us to study a new topic. This video is going to be very fast, pretty short, pretty brief, mostly because we are going to study the use of would like. Okay, would like, this is a phrase, and let's take a look how we use it. We use would like for two different situations. We use it to offer things to someone. For example, would you like some chocolate? Would you like a slice of mango? Would you like a cup of coffee? So when we offer something to a specific person, or to invite somebody, when we say, would you like to watch a movie with me tonight? Take a look that in this case we are inviting. It's similar, but the context is going to be different. Because one thing is offering and other topic it's inviting. Would you like to go with me outside? Would you like to have dinner with us tonight or this weekend in this case? So this is the use that we have with would like. Something important, something that we need to take into consideration is the structure. The structure of would like always is going to be subject, would like, and the verb. Okay, and something important is the two that is going to be here. Okay, for example, she would like to play soccer. Okay, so this is going to be the equivalent to the sentence. This is when we refer about affirmative structure. When we refer about a negative structure, it's going to be pretty much the same. This is going to be pretty much the same, but in this case, we add not in here. So next or following would like, following the would, we add not. So that's why to make it negative, this is the rule. The rule is going to be subject, would not like, the to and the verb. Okay? As well, for the interrogative statement, when we refer about an interrogative statement, we start with would, then we have the subject, then like, to with the verb, plus the complement. So in this case, if I want to ask this question, it would be, would you like to play soccer? And in this way, I am asking the question. So it's very common when we refer out preferences, as I said, or inviting, offering. In Spanish, would equals this expression, ia. So that's why in Spanish we say, ¿le gustaría comer conmigo? Okay, so this is the, take a look that we have the ia in this case, and the ia that is right here, this is in English what we call would. So if I translate this, I would say, would you like to eat with me? Take a look that in this case, we are talking about a question. So since we are referring to a question, the would, we would need the interrogative mark, okay? As well, for example, if it's an affirmative sentence, if I say, a mí me gustaría dormir más. Okay, if I translate this, I would like to sleep more. So this would like, the one that we have here, this is the gustaría. So this is the, all together is the gustaría. If I refer about this specific aspect, the ia, this is going to be the would. So that's why, for you to make the connection in case that it's relevant, So some people need this kind of connection to understand a little bit better the ideas. So would like, I can say prefer. I may say I prefer to go to the park, but sometimes in English it's better to say I would like to go to the park. So there are other alternatives to express the same idea. The contraction of would, this is something relevant. The contraction of would is a D. So instead of saying I would like, I can say the following. I can say I'd like, the contraction and the D. So I can say I'd like to sleep more. I'd like to go to the park. But remember that with questions, it doesn't apply. The contractions cannot be used on interrogative statements. But here I can say also I wouldn't. That's another contraction. I can say I like this all together. So she wouldn't like to play soccer. That's the contraction. Or she'd not. That's another option. In this case, we add the not, but we transform this by the apostrophe in the D and say she'd not like to play soccer. So this is the use of would. Remember, would, this is the structure, would in interrogative statements, and it's used to refer to invitations and to offer something, okay? So obviously, when we answer, we are going to use an affirmative statement, or if we refuse, if we say not, we are going to use this structure. So this is the topic that we were supposed to study today, okay?